Hello, Shivashakti Ardhanarishwar. I have read the real question. And I know from what analysis is coming the somebody have the perfect love story. Offline only. The offline only was Charapotichi, but I will pay the Kaviamatana. In the virgin in the Tholang. How your father have killed that Pavadi Dev. Ninja on the mother politic, the Indus Chabam, the Kotter Purta Mola, in the Motan, in the Omangudi, the Virginic, the lubrication getty. Just wait with the hormone chavame. The nature is burning by the Napoli prostitute charco in a special purta party. Hereafter, if you are coming near to my baby, then a cono, color in a honor in a chow to put purta nine the mala. Wait, chakari in the Ashogolata, touching point in the mutton, a chanaka, nanagata, veshi, prostitute, gachara, purta, chanaka, shava, which is shavame. And Sonia ji, I can understand that what is your fear. From your look, I understand also. I know that for what you are, that is not going to work out. And Priyanka ji, you don't do so much over smart. And then Robert Rakaran or Cheta fraud on Nae. You also your ambition that you politics in a way, 10 or to pack it up with the Modia Misha. Start processing, taking action against Yish Robert with the start procedures for packing as soon as possible. This bastard devil that get what Ryan and Muyara that jewels rectangle to pack the body. Chanaka Chavati could packing. One more thing, first now. Anyway, all the crack, greedy, the Sparto, devils and godfathers and the greatest revelation, but the godfathers of the high command, everybody got excited and you knew the desperate leaders you waited and for all of you the entire lifetime, Rahul Ji is a waste and Assad, what? It's a Shabam for the Congress and they are bearing him and everything. So that you got removed, right? Your Shabam and your great what disaster, everything got removed. You go to the leader as you want and you have taken all the take the entire great battalion of leaders and the party the entire take over. Okay, Dawalji is free and his citizenship also got cancelled. So none of you have any right or privilege or role to decide or talk about Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is not there in your life anymore. Okay, it's only Shiv Shakti. Now we will show what we can do. You fellas do the little makeup shows and the entire white skin, some 7 feet is there to sucker, marketer, grabber, looter, go and do the show off and outbusting her what great grandmother, grandfather, now onwards the everybody how died to sacrifice the emotional now what that word I forgot. Narrative is there to demonstrate the story and the shatter the people from their core of the bottom and she will grab water and go and do the business. Okay, don't ever come into between the situation. Put the ചാണകത്തിക്കണ പോയി വഴിക്കമ്മടാ നാണം കെട്ടാ ലെവലാതി പട്ടികൾ കുറെ ചൽമാങ്കുരിശിത്ത് കുറെ പട്ടി നായ്ക്കൾ അവൻ്റെ പേര് കമ്പിക സോണി കുറെ നോട്ടി അഭിഷേക് മണ്ണോച്ചി നീ കയറാന്ന് പറയും നിനക്ക് വേട്ടയിൽ നിന്ന് നിനക്ക് നിനക്ക് ഓടി ഒരാളൊക്കെ നിനക്ക് ചോട്ട് കൂട്ടും പുല്ലുകളെ ഇറങ്ങിക്കണ ലെവലതി ആണും പെണ്ണും കേട്ടോ ശിഖണ്ഡികൾ ശാപം പുറത്തെ ഡിസാസ്റ്റർ നാഷൻ സോ anyway, Dalji, be prepared. This is our Niyadi. We will conquer Kailash. That's everything has its tarikha. And that's the reason Shiv Shakti assignment is getting delayed. They do not know. Everything is on the right track. And it's a cunning, greedy, third class level. So you have to come out from that all Chakraviha one by one and layer by layer. Okay? Release. And so that's the thing. Be happy. See, I colored it today. Each and every penny process, don't worry. For each hair, I will make you millions. For each pay. Because how much don't worry. The what? Reverse tracking. Reverse. Don't worry. University of California, Berkeley. I'm sure I forgot that process. What is his name? You got so shocked. How many times he came and how many times you sent him on my path even. Don't worry. So the Tesla would say that Newton, I understood that. So don't worry. The teaching is on the actually not only this your mother and this Munarli's father, because now how my father and mother was has been harassed. Actually, both to the relevant people. To my father only, that Minarli only the main, because how I brought my father's ashes, that the way that Kachara Potter to played. And then another thing, not only this, in my home, my brother's sister, she only played always to track my sister forcefully to her house and all like that, and to always telling to my mother and my insult to my mother and all by telling about me that I am not doing anything and all like that, and so many. So that's all. Her ego got cut. Her husband also, when this fellow admitted me to hospital, there her husband died cancer with 1 year. He also dragged in front of her, and her all ahanda got cut down. This is the way. The right people, the karma. That's what karma will never miss an address. That is real. Karma is real, 100%. That's my confidence. That's the reason I'm doing my karma. Okay, so മട്ടണ്ണ എൻ്റെ ലീല മട്ടണ്ണ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം ഇതിൻ്റെ ഓർമ്മയ്ക്ക് പറട്ട ഏരപ്പ പുഴുത്ത നായ ഫോർ ദിസ് മെനി ടൈംസ് യു സക്കഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഇന്നസെൻറ്റ് സോൾ, യു സക്കഡ് ദ ഡിവൈൻ അർദ്ധനാരീശ്വർ ശിവശക്തി. നിന്നെ പാട്ടി പുഴുത്ത നിൻ്റെ ഇൻ യുവർ ജനറേഷൻസ് ദർ വോണ്ട് ബി എനി മോർ വിൽ ബോൺ. നീ അത്രയ്ക്ക് ശോഭം പിടിച്ച പുഴുത്ത നായ, നിന്റെ വൃത്തികെട്ട സെപ്റ്റിക് ടാങ്ക് വാജിന വെന്നെവർ ഹി സക്കഡ് ദ യൂണിവേഴ്സ് ഗോട്ട് ഷാറ്റേഡ് ആൻഡ് കാച്ചറ പുഴുത്ത നാളം പിടിച്ച ശോഭം പിടിച്ച ജന്മ ചുഴയ്ക്കാൻ പൊടി പുഴുത്ത നായിൻ്റെ മളം നിനക്ക്. ഇഫ് യു ആർ നോട്ട് സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ് വിത്ത് ഓൾ ദ മെൻ അവർ കാച്ചറ പുഴുത്ത വേശിൻ്റെ മോളെ എടുത്ത് ചാവടി വേടക്ക് പുണ്ണാക്കി മോളെ നിന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയാലും നിന്നെ മറ്റവനെ ചോലത്ത് നിന്നല്ലേ കോത്തിലൂടെ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി നിനക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കി തരാൻ കുറെ കോൺഗ്രസ് തേങ്ങ. രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി, you will do what I say only, that's it. And Sonia Gandhi, don't so much. If you are playing for your daughter, and you know the stage, how much you got every time whenever these devils are taking forcefully this baby, how much you are getting fever and everything, how much you are getting distress, everything I know. And that for that only that baby is yielding everything. And I know that your obligation, but we are, because if an MB positive is not there, this fellows will put all the cases. That's what you obliged for that as an MB post. I know everything, each and everything I know. And I know my baby and why, what is the stage, everything. And so what are the things I am doing, everything the universe is making me to do, to take care everything in the right way for forming a stable government and a stable home. Okay, that's it. So you don't need to worry even a little bit. If for you're playing for your daughter, the entire Italian mafia will be packed forever from India, and the first step will do that. Congress party will be stamped as a terrorist organization, anti-national organization, sealed, and it will cancel the public party office license. Okay, that's the next step. Very next step we will be doing. That is final. Got it? That's it. Do what say. This is the leader and the mission assignment. If I know to bring it this such, I know to execute the things also. Don't teach me. Then ABC is all the world leaders. You go to learning A B C D E H Muk China Paita my lap in the near Canada Purta Varali Jam Penicillin Stamina Ulata Paranara Jatala the like a word. So don't play so much. Okay, fuck me baby. Don't worry. So I will transform. See, this and all that will get over. After this winter getting over, not that my will come back. See, when I have been, this is my real. But see, still this and all that will come back. Okay, don't worry, baby. We can get, see, don't worry. For each people, we can get each billion. How many people? How many cards are there? How many millions will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count. That's the thing. That's the trick. Where you logic man? All the expert players നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ കച്ചറ കുറെ കോൺഗ്രസ് നിന്നെയൊക്കെ ചവിട്ടിക്കൂട്ടൂടെ പുറത്തതായിൻ്റെ മക്കളെ. എൻ്റെ താടക കുറേ അവളുമാരെ ഇറങ്ങിക്കാൻ ക്രണി നീ നട്ടേണ്ട കുറെ ചടുക്ക് കുറച്ച് ഉപ്പേച്ചിട്ട് വെച്ചപ്പോൾ തോടക മൊന്തേ നീ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു 90 kg കൊണ്ട് പോരാന്ന് അറിയിച്ചു ഏറ്റവും അതിശാപം പിടിച്ച ജന്മം. Anyway, you have to come out from these all Nishta Janmams. That's the thing. The purification process. See, Shiva Shakti will be first taking a dip in the Manasarovar. Then will conquer the Kailas. The Lakshman Rekha will cross. And will be, that is the assignment of Kali Yuga Shiva Shakti. If the cyclone is happened yesterday also, in that great MK Stalin DMK. So Kanimuri, that's the thing. On the spot, tapa getting, and the moon is drifting away, and the earth, what it's drifting away, shattering. Everything is real. Means then, after that we will get married at Trigunanarayan temple at Uttarakhand. Oh, Himachal. This is the only foundation step of them. entire Hinduism body RSS chief even will join Congress, not Congress, United Democratic Scientific Alliance. Anyway, for what Priyanka, so you all your kids and your great outbursting Vadra need the party. Take the entire thing. We don't need. Take the money we on Takadi Chanaka. Then chop and chop. That's a boy. Actually, he even got shocked. The astrologer himself even got shocked. That is how come. Hmm. But anyway, I liked that thing, the Omkar. It's Prakambanam, my baby. I know that I am Sarvu Marinaval. Shivshakti Artharantarisham. Don't worry. So, I know that your fear, what you are afraid of. That also I know. Don't worry. There is no need of fear. Bahubali, be covered, but be stubborn. Everything is on the right track. And I know the way when after my yesterday's morning mail, and Sonia ji was looking, and the way you turned your, you have been instructed to look into mobile and passed away. I know that one, each and every action, everything. I know that each and every action have the reaction. And so, always remember that who is Dr. Shaili Ghad. All the world leading criminals are in my pipe, ABCD. Yeah. Okay, so I will never play. I am on the right track with as the universe ascent. I am doing what they are bestowing to. Okay, so be obliged to that. Okay, bye. The car, oh, immediately you know the orange the car. Former strike, hold the strike to excite to make you chuck, tempt, that tempting and not going to work out. Okay, that's the reason certainly the about boosting cyclone. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, okay, so don't worry. Shiv Shakti. And I know that what are the things on the back going on. That I not going to work out. But and how many everybody went to Alashan Commission and see at least have common sense. Now we can get a Delhi at least. If you are surrendering all of your great greediness, desperateness, lust, and ahanta, ego, we can get at least Delhi. There is some ways. There is another. This is another assignment. Otherwise, getting out best means okay. The grand shows will be arranged. How much will go? That down it will come down. That's it. Okay. Challenge. We can compensate for Haryana and we can block Modi Amishad. What? They will not walk in Delhi. That's a real challenge. This is the challenge. If you are ready, okay. Ahanta, cut down the ahanta, ega, greedy. And I know that Kichi Vanugal, and I know that your fear and Narayanadas, everybody's fear, everything. I know that no more fear and no more individuals are there. Okay. Only the nation, Shiv Shakti, the universe, Prabhanjathala. Don't dream that you can pack into Delhi again. Kachara in a vertain or can in a chow to put up on my Chagalatu or a Barana Kamal now the correct. But a colon Charlie. Sharat power go to the enter. That's the motivation. That is the way of working. For each, see, that's a shame that for each people had to give 35 crore. That's not shame. Or technical as what else should be. But anyway, it's good. The astrology, also the Haryana, it's a good. The others, the new CM, but outbursting. This is the way. Cut down the. This is I like process. Cut down the thing. That's the strategy. But again, in between, you will come, then you will screw up. And that is something I had to act against. And this kind of Kachara novels will be showing their dirty culture. That's I don't like. Otherwise, it's okay. And yeah, Abhishek, I know that you are here, Laila screwing up and everything, and Kachara butting. The correct Malayalis and Punarai, all the Kacharas. Calm down. Okay. Everybody. Okay. So the team, the play, play is going on. And Shiv Shakti is moving to its destination. That's the only thing. Okay. No more plays. And if no more than a punda chemola, then a tear in the court, and then the Tolai, Porta Purta Vadak, Chanke. ശവം പിടിച്ച ചുണക്ക് തന്നെ എനക്കോടെ നിന്റെ മോന്ത കാണുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ അറിയാം വേട്ടൊക്കെ പട്ടിക്ക് ചുണക്ക് വേശിയെ. ഓക്കെ ബൈ ബി ശിവശക്തി.